Drawing inspiration from the popular Apple iPhone X, the Oppo F7 sequel to the Oppo F5 too flaunts a similar design. The handset comes with a notch at the front and sports an almost bezel-less display. The device features a metal body, and also has a fingerprint reader which is slotted at the back. The Oppo F7 can safely be considered as a selfie-focused smartphone, considering the fact that the handset ships with a powerful front-facing sensor. So, let's take a closer look. The Oppo F7 borrows several design cues from the iPhone X, with a vertical camera placement on the back, and notch atop the screen. The device features a metal body. The back of the Oppo F7 in twilight is stunning. The glass back feels fragile. Also, the buttons on the F7 are well positioned and work well when you are using the phone. The button is a bit soft, and easy to press. The power key, SIM card slot on the left, and volume keys on the right offer nice feedback. The bottom houses a speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port, and the headphone jack. On the top there has only the secondary microphone. The Oppo F7 features a big 6.23-inch Full HD Plus IPS display, which is bright and reproduces vivid colors. The screen also comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass protection. The big screen on the Oppo F7 makes it ideal for watching videos and playing games. The Oppo F7 got a good panel, offering the vibrant blacks and deep colors, which all IPS LCD panels do. The Oppo F7 is packed full of the hardware we have come to expect from a flagship Oppo device. It's powered by MediaTek Helio P60 chipset. It's backed by 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage, alongside the Mali G72 MP3 which handles most tasks well. The Oppo F7 have expandable storage. You can expand storage up to 256 GB. Most flagship devices come equipped with a battery ranging from 3000 to 3500 mAh battery. Although the F7 isn't a flagship, the Oppo F7 brings the same battery capacity as the Huawei P20. The Oppo F7 has 3400 mAh battery. In keeping with the trends, just like many other manufacturers, Oppo's lineup has been shifting towards dual-camera setups at a steady pace. It is almost surprising to see a camera-centric, selfie-centric offer. Like the F7 with a sole 16-megapixel main camera. On paper, it looks like a decent enough camera, a 16-megapixel sensor, positioned behind a decently bright f1.8 aperture lens. And just like the F5, the newer Oppo F7 is only limited to 1080p video recording at 30 fps. The Oppo F7 comes with a 25-megapixel front camera, with Sony IMX576 sensor and f2.0 aperture with real-time HDR support. The selfie camera also comes equipped with the company's own AI Beauty 2.0 app, which claims to scan 296 facial recognition points. This time Oppo has also added some new features to the app. For instance, the app can now detect a person's gender, age, skin color etc. And the F7 runs Color OS 5.0, based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The Oppo F7 coming in a solar red, diamond black, moonlight silver color, at a price of €270. So, what do you think about Oppo F7? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoy this video hit the like buttons, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.